This video will show you how to link all of the Teams recordings that you're doing with your students online into a channel in your team so that students have easy access to workshop recordings. So you can see that I'm in my team and I have a workshop channel. I've made a recurring meeting in there. The recordings from that recurring session will turn up in the chat stream, but they can be difficult to find. Sometimes students they don't realize they have to click into the chat and scroll down. So what we're going to do is link the group page in Stream. Stream is Microsoft's video server, and it is where anything that's recorded in a team channel is hosted. So I'm going to go to Stream now, and I'm going to find that group page. To find Stream, you can just go to office.com, and it's the app with the little pink triangles. Or if you're in your email, you can just use this waffle menu here, and that will give you a shortcut to your other Microsoft 365 apps as well. So once you find your way to Stream, you are looking for a group page. Every team that's created has a group page in Stream. So you go to My Content in this top menu and then select Groups. And then you just have to scroll and find the group page that matches the team that you want. And this is another reason it's a great idea to have a specific logo for your team. I'm just going to hop over here. This is the one that I'm looking for that relates to the team I was just showing you. I'm going to click on that panel. Then when I get into my group page, I'm going to swap out from highlights to videos because I think that's more intuitive for students. It's just a nice neat list of all the videos that have been recorded in this team. I'm also going to sort them by publish date, which will also help students. If you are recording as part of a recurring meeting series, all of the recordings unfortunately will come through with the series name as the name of the recording. They will be date stamped, but you can also go in and change that name as well. If you go into this little pencil here, and you can just change change it to anything you like. You can change the name to week 1 and etc. and then just click on apply. So I'm just going to go back now to my group page. Once you've changed that over to videos, what you want to do is just collect the URL from the top of that page. It's not a share button in Stream, we just want the URL. I'm going to Control-C copy that, then I'm going to go back to my team. Once I'm back in my Wednesday 2 p.m. workshop channel, I'm going to select this little plus sign to add a tab in this channel. And you might think, well, it seems intuitive that I'm adding a Stream tab. I'm not actually adding a Stream tab, I'm adding a website tab. And once this pops up, I'm going to paste that URL that I just took in there. I'm going to call this recordings, or you could call it workshop recordings, and I'm going to hit save. And now your students have easy access to all of their workshop recordings in the same place that they go to attend those workshops. So in the posts part of the channel, they have the link to the meeting, and now they have another link over here called recordings, which takes them straight to the group page.